I wasn't expecting to make this video, but this is update 1 on Invest 95W. Currently, CTR says it has winds of 30 miles an hour, that's 25 knots, a pressure of 1,002 millibars, and it's moving northeast at 14 miles an hour, that's 12 knots. I am in full agreement with him, and that's why I'm mentioning him in this video for once. Now, we're looking at the GFS since this is just an invest. Now, we'll do to see how this plays out. You see that? That was Invest 95W's prediction by the GFS. We're using GFS here today. Hey, since, well, yeah. And we're going to go to the 850 wind. This is 6 hours ahead already. I'm going to go ahead and put it in my right hand and see here. You're going to see how it goes. Still on GFS run. This is the 18Z run. There it is as a typhoon. It's passing north of Palau there. It's passing north of Palau now there. There it is north of Palau. And there it is continuing to intensify. And this is, wait a minute. Okay, yeah, this is when the pressure peaks. And look in the corner. 160 knots. 160 knots. I did the math. That equates to, I think, around 180, 185. I think it's 185 miles an hour. And then at peaked, it's close to 190 miles an hour at wind peak. And you see these two islands? It's very close to Tacloban, 150 hours out. The GFS has been crazy consistent with this, and it has only been getting this thing stronger with each run. The previous run only had it around 180 mile per hour at peak. And now it's at near 190. This is nasty. This is a nasty storm. I can't stress this enough. If you're in the Philippines, watch this. If you live in the Philippines, I want you to watch this. I'm the second person to make an update on this, aside from Cyclone Tracking Oz, also known as Joshua. Reason why I say that is because he's also a member of Force 13. And I wanted a break, but I guess I'm not going to get one. Just look at this. And at 150 hours out, the GFS has been crazy consistent. Mind you, 150 hours out. And it's been crazy consistent. This could, you hate to hear people say this. This could be the next Haiyan. If this does play out how the GFS is predicting it, this could be the next Haiyan. I didn't want to say it, but I'm going to have to say it again. This could be the next Haiyan if the GFS run plays out in the real world. It's horrible. It's going to be that bad. If you're in the Philippines, even though this is literally over 5 days out, actually around 6 days out, prepare now. You are not going to survive this kind of storm if you do not start your preparations. Remember Goni. Goni was very similar. Last year, Goni made landfall as the strongest tropical cyclone ever. well, to make landfall. 195 miles per hour, 876 millibars. This thing is probably going to be even deeper than what the GFS is showing. The GFS is showing 927.2, but if it plays out, the pressure is going to be even deeper. This could be your next Haiyan. This is going to be worse than Fanphone of 2019. Most likely. This could also be worse than Kamuri of 2019, and has a chance to be worse than Haiyan of 2013. This is not fake, because this has been crazy consistent on the GFS model runs. Although I don't want to check the other model runs, because those are usually the ones that under all the other models that actually have this storm, that actually show the storm, have this thing weaker, because they are underestimating this. I think. It's rapidly developing at this moment as I speak, in real time. When this gets named, I think the next name is Rai, R-A-I, is how you pronounce it. It could be the next Haiyan. You might want to fear the next name if the GFS run plays out. And for the next part, I'm gonna go ahead and show you a little piece of I wanted to show you a little piece of my prediction, but this, along with the severe weather, I'm gonna show you it now because I just feel like I should give you a sneak peek on what's next for the channel. This is the next thing for my channel. This is a weather severity code. CTOS has the CTOS score. Forcerting have the, I believe, what is it called? CDPS. This is the weather severity code. This determines what severity the weather is. This goes for both severe and tropical weather at the time. We are in code lavender due to this what's going to happen and the severe weather. I'll see you on the next video. By the way, bye. This is quick.